In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to use Cortana to automatically voice open games or voice open programs. Hey Cortana, open up CSGO. Once you say it, it's going to recognize it and open up. Now, as you can see, it did not open up the game. There's a reason why. It's because Cortana only open up games and programs that are either on the start menu or in your favorites. So I'm going to show you how to set it up where it's in your favorites or on the start menu so your stuff will work properly. All right, so let's fix this problem. What we're going to do is create a shortcut to recognize the program when we say Cortana open the game. So first thing we're going to do is we're looking at all the shortcuts here. None of them are the shortcuts we need. So what we're going to do is actually want to run our Steam game, which is Counter-Strike, right? So you're gonna go to properties and you're gonna copy the exe. We just need the last digits after the actual stream ID, which is a 730. This is for a game, for example, right? So once we get that, we can close. Now we're gonna go create a shortcut. It's going to ask you which shortcut you want. We're gonna go actually to the Steam application because you're looking for the actual program. If you're doing like Photoshop, you would find the Photoshop exe file. But since we're doing Steam, we're looking for the exe. There goes Steam, press OK, and then press next. Now it's asking, would you like to name the shortcut? So we're just gonna call it Counter-Strike Go or CSGO, and then we're gonna press finish, right? Now we're gonna go to the properties and we just need to add a little extension for they can know what to open. So you're gonna type this, you're gonna put a dash and you're going to type in applaunch. And then you're gonna add that little actual code that we told you to copy that tells it which game, 730. You're gonna click apply and now it should work. When I say the following, then Cortana, hey Cortana, open CSGO. It's loading, it recognized what you were asking for, and now in a few seconds the game will load up.
Thanks for visiting our channel. Virtual Tech's mission statement is to assist as many YouTubers as possible in addressing their Mac, PC, and mobile device issues. We actually respond to the text messages we receive. So if you have any nagging questions relating to computer or mobile device issues, please text Tech Issue to 818-732-9142. And we will promptly release a video on our channel with your question addressed. If you want us to keep providing free content, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can also donate to our channel by looking in the YouTube description of all our videos. If you would like to join our team in creating video content, text Content Creator Job, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and enjoy our content.